Hi, fourth graders, and welcome to Flex Wednesday. Today, we're going to be reviewing solving word story problems. But to start, let's start with the warm-up. On your whiteboards, I want you to use partial products multiplication or lattice multiplication to solve the following problems. I want you to pause the video and solve 23 times 4 and 49 times 8. When you're ready, press play. Welcome back. So let's go over this first problem together. 23 times 4. If I was to solve this using partial products, I would have broken it up by its parts. 20 times 4 and 3 times 4. And when I do that, I can put that together to get 92. I also could have solved this with lattice multiplication. 23 on top, 4 on the side. 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, and when I put that all together, I still am left with 92. Nice work. Now let's go to our next one. 49 times 8. Well, I know that 40 times 8 is 320, and 9 times 8 is 72. So if I put those together, I have 392. Awesome work. So today we're going to focus on solving word story problems. When we solve with word story problems, we really need to ask ourselves, well, what is this problem asking me to do? And then we need to ask ourselves, what do I already know? And what do I need to know in order to get the correct answer? So let's take a look at this problem together. Jack and Dwayne are preparing for their school's winter bake sale. They have made 318 brownies. They plan on placing 3 brownies each into small bags to sell. How many bags will they need? Okay, well, let's go through asking myself first. Well, what do I already know? I know that Jack and Dwayne are getting ready for the bake sale, and I know that they have made 318 brownies. I know that. I also know that they're going to place the brownies in bags of 3. So there's going to be 3 bags, 3 brownies in each bag. But now I need to think, well, what is it actually asking me to do? It's asking me how many bags will the boys need? So it's asking me to figure out, well, if there's 3 brownies in each bag and there's 318 brownies, I need to decide, well, how many groups of 3 create 318? That's asking me to divide. 318 divided by 3 equals how many brownies how many bags they're going to need for their brownies. This problem seems kind of tough. I could always switch this division problem, though, into multiplication. To do that, I'd ask myself, 3 times what equals 318? Well, let's think about that. So if I'm asking myself 3 times what equals 318, I want to try to break this 318 into different parts. So I'm going to break it into 318. And now I need to ask, well, 3 times what equals 300? I know that 3 times 10 is 30, so 3 times 100 must be 300. And now I need to decide, well, 3 times what equals 18? I can skip count by 3s, and when I do that, I know that 3 times 6 gets me 18. So now I need to decide, well, I have a 100 and I have a 6. If I put that together, I have my answer for how many bags they actually need. They're going to need 106 bags for their 318 brownies if 3 brownies go into each bag. 3 times 106 equals 318, and 318 divided by 3 is 106. Let's try one more together. The kids are selling bags of brownies for $2 each. How much money would they make from the brownie sale? Okay, so I need to use the information from the previous problem to solve this problem. I know that we needed 106 bags. If they're selling each bag for $2, I know that I need to figure out, well, 2 times what? And that what being how many bags, 106, will equal how much money they're going to actually earn from this sale. So I need to do some multiplication here. I want you to pause the video and I want you to solve, well, 2 times 106 equals how much money that they're going to earn. When you're ready, press play. Welcome back. So if we're multiplying 2 times 106, I know that I'm left with 212. So the boys made $212 off their brownies. Nice work, fourth graders. So today, you're going to get started on solving some multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction word story problems. When you're solving these problems, ask yourself, what do I already know? And what do I need to know in order to solve this problem? All right, let's get started.